Which attribute is used to set an element's inline CSS style? Option A, class. Option B, id. Option C, style. Option D, CSS. The correct option C, style. Which tag is used to group form controls and labels? Option A, less than field set greater than. Option B, less than group greater than. Option C, less than form group greater than. Option D, less than control greater than. The correct option A, less than field set greater than. Which tag is semantic for page navigation? Option A, less than div id equals nav greater than. Option B, less than navigator greater than. Option C, less than nav greater than. Option D, less than menu greater than. The correct option C, less than nav greater than. Which input type shows a checkbox? Option A, less than input type equals radio greater than. Option B, less than input type equals check greater than. Option C, less than input type equals checkbox greater than. Option D, less than input type equals toggle greater than. The correct option C, less than input type equals checkbox greater than. Which element is used to add metadata like character set to the document? Option A, less than meta greater than. Option B, less than info greater than. Option C, less than data greater than. Option D, less than charset greater than. The correct option A, less than meta greater than. Which attribute on less than img greater than specifies the image file location? Option A, href. Option B, src. Option C, link. Option D, target. The correct option B, src. Which tag is used to create a drop-down list in a form? Option A, less than input type equals select greater than. Option B, less than select greater than. Option C, less than drop-down greater than. Option D, less than option list greater than. The correct option B, less than select greater than. Which tag is used for emphasized text, typically italic? Option A, less than strong greater than. Option B, less than B greater than. Option C, less than M greater than. Option D, less than I greater than. The correct option C, less than M greater than. Which attribute makes a link open in a new tab, window? Option A, target equals underscore blank. Option B, open equals new. Option C, new tab equals yes. Option D, rel equals external. The correct option A, target equals underscore blank. Which element should wrap the main content of a page? HTML5 semantic. Option A, less than section greater than. Option B, less than article greater than. Option C, less than main greater than. Option D, less than div greater than. The correct option C, less than main greater than.